Okay, I have loaded up the Microsoft Excel. All right. And in Microsoft Excel, if you want to select a range of cell, well, you just have to click the cell that you want, hold the mouse, and drag it. And you will actually be able to select it. Of course, you can also select it by column or by row, like this. Just click on the letter or the number side. But what if you want to do selection, multiple selection at the same time? All right. The trick is actually to use the control key. So let's say I want to select uh, C. Okay. So I already clicked C, and this is selected. I hold the control key and I can select others. See, I can select others. And I can even select a range. Only after I have completed all my selection, okay, then only I let go of the control key. So it's not just selecting cells, row or column that is next to each other, but you can actually select different range